What's up, everybody? This is Torrance Davis of Davis Daily, and today we're going to be unboxing the GitFo 13-in-1 powered USB-C hub with multi-port charging data transfers. So, I think I showed you guys some months ago that I got a USB charging hub for all my devices, but I also have a small Amazon charging hub right next to my computer so I can plug extra stuff into my computer. What I don't have for my computer is USB-C, and I only have a couple of high-speed ports. So even the stuff I plug into my Amazon hub doesn't really do that well in terms of speed because it's much older, no USB-C. So this is definitely needed. A shout out to GitFo for sponsoring this. So let's get this unboxed. Oh, there's some stuff on the back here. So USB A's are 10 gigabytes per second. The C's are 10 gigabytes, and there's a couple of 5 gigabyte per second. So two. Wow, they're all this crazy. So it's got 5 USB-A 5 gigabytes per second, and 2 that are 7.5 watts. There's also 2 USB-Cs that can max out at 45 watts. And then for input, the USB-C host, DC power converter, and a PD 2.0 max 100 watt for USB-C. So let's get this open. That's a lot. That's a lot to take in. This thing's heavy duty. Alright, let's get it open. Here we go. So we got the little manual here. 13-in-1. USB, and then there's the QR code to download the instructions. It's got the power adapter. If you need to charge your laptop, use your original adapter to plug into the USB-C. Okay, it's got all this stuff. Let's give it the sniff test. All right. And let's take some of this stuff out of here. So this is the hub. This is the power adapter for the hub. Huge. And a USB-C cable. Okay, so there's that. Let's get that out of there. And let's take this out of the paper. There it is. So solid aluminum design. Looks like something Macintosh. There's all your ports, and all these ports are labeled so it's not confusing. So here's the 7.5 watt, 5 gigabits. Is that gigabits or gigabytes? I can't remember. I'm getting so old. Somebody help me. I think it's gigabytes. I think when it's gigabytes, it's a bigger beast. So I think it's gigabits per second. So 5 gigabits, and then 5 gigabits across the board, and 10 gigabit port, which is typically red on your computer, and then 10 gigabit USB-C, and PD 45 watt max USB-C for high-speed charging of your devices. So when they talk gigabits, they're talking data. And anytime you see wattage, that's for charging. On the back, you have your DC input, your 100 watt input, and then this one goes to the laptop. If you want to charge your laptop, you hook it into there. Gives you some instructions here. Make sure your DC power adapter is connected to the hub, and the USB-C cable is connected to the host port on the laptop for laptop charging. And to charge your computer, please use the computer's original charger to connect to the hub. And there it is. That's pretty slick. All right, so I'll take that off. It's got the rubber feet here so it doesn't slide around. And then you just sit it up on your desk and bloop, 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 plug right away. So now, whenever I want, so I can hook all of my wireless connectors for my computer. I can put them all in here. So I can do my wireless controllers. I can do my headphones. So now I have plenty of USB slots for that. So there it is. I will be reviewing this after I play around with it. I will see you guys on the next Davis Daily. Peace out.